observations.
Oh yeah.
Why?
You're the smartest kid.
Boom! That was so close. Dude, it's leading this way.
That is true. So what do you have to make the rest neat? Oh, you're gonna make it full.
Why not?
Just make sure it doesn't leak.
Look, it didn't. Stop.
Oh, that was a close one. It almost fell.
This is taking forever. Nico, there's some over here.
Oh yeah.
Skip it up, dub, dub, yee, yee. Skip it up, dub, yee, yee. Cops!
Hey, some stuff from Toby. Is this all the cups?
I'm already starting to build.
Is this all the cups?
Yeah?
Oh, there's one cup over there. Is there any more cups? Is that it?
Yeah. I think so.
Is this enough cups?
Oh, it's gonna knock over.
Patty's
Oh!
Oh, you almost knocked
That was so scary. Nico, that was so scary. Nico, put it on the side. I can take it off.
I'm giving you 4. We both have 4, okay? We both have 4, so I have 3 cups. I hope this one doesn't knock. This is a lot of cups.
But I don't have enough.
Me too.
But mine went more.
Wait. That means you got more cups.
No.
Wait. That
means I got 5. Oh, because you gave me it. The one behind here.
Oh. Wait. Is there any more?
There is more over there.
Oh yeah.
Let's just bring the poacher back.
What?
Why?
We need the hunter back.